Hi everyone, it's BellaGemaNails, and today we're going to be doing a review on Read Your Heart jewelry. It is my second review and I'm just as impressed as I was the first time. Now they're having a big blowout Black Friday sale, and so I wanted to come to you prior to Black Friday to let you know what we're looking at here. So let's get started. So along with your jewelry, you will receive a baggie if it's a gift for someone or a gift for yourself. You will also be receiving your GRA Moissanite certificate that pertains to the actual stone that you purchased or jewelry. Now let's get started with this first one here. Look at that beautiful ring. Now, this is a ring that I really was taken aback by because it is a very modern take on an engagement ring. This is a Solitaire Radiant Moissanite in a Milgrain bezel set. And let me show you what that means and what that looks like. And there's geometric lines that make it look more sparkly all around the bezel set. This is such a modern take on a Solitaire. And although I'm not into dainty jewelry, I have to tell you that when I saw this, I really fell in love with it. You could see it's kind of a high prong setting. It sits above this part of the ring, and then the moissanite drops to a point. And then you can see how it sits kind of high on the finger, but not to where you're going to worry about knocking it. This is equivalent to a 3-carat center stone, and again, a radiant. And with bezels, you don't have to worry about hitting corners of the ring. It's really tight and secure in there, and you don't have to worry about the stone becoming loose, whereas prongs, they do loosen and you do have to tighten them after a while. This is just secure here. This is a 4.5, again, 3-carat center radiant. It is spectacular when I opened it, and it also has weight. It has a little weight to it, which I really do appreciate. It looks beautiful on the finger. It sits very nicely. You can see what it looks like here. It is in sterling silver, and you can see how elegant that looks, but also modern. I have an overhead light and I have my blinds open. You can see some of the sparkle, but overhead lights can't do it justice. You have to see it in person or maybe even in sunlight. But I mean, it really does sparkle. Now, the beauty of moissanite is you don't have to worry so much about it because it is, it lasts. On the Mohs scale, it's a 9.25 in hardness, whereas a diamond is a 10. So it can withstand everyday wear, which is really nice. So if you want to consider getting an engagement ring that isn't a diamond, I really would highly recommend getting a moissanite and looking into a company that you trust. I will tell you that the service that I've received from them is phenomenal. Granted, I am doing a review. I am not being paid for this. They did gift me the items so that I can show you, but I am very impressed with the quality. The stone will not lose its luster. I have a friend who has the last ring that I showed. I did a giveaway and then I gave my friend 2 rings. She's been wearing it every single day in the shower for 4 months maybe, or 5 since I did their last review. And it has not disappointed. And I'm going to insert a video of her wearing the ring today just so that you take a look at what it looks like. Okay, so let's take a look at this ring. Again, comes with plastic. But look at this beauty. It's a channel set, triple moissanite, half eternity wedding band. And this one is stunning. When I opened it, I gasped because I couldn't believe the craftsmanship of this ring. And the beauty of this, it's 3-sided. So it has the pave diamonds on the side, which are gradient and taper down from large all the way to small. And then if you flip it over to the other side, you can see the same for the other side. And it does come, it's raised, so it's not like a flat band that'll sit on your finger. It definitely has volume. And then when you look at it front facing, you have your largest moissanites, and then they taper downward to smaller ones. And even the small ones are not small. They are substantial. This ring is gorgeous. It is in sterling silver with rhodium finish. Now, Read Your Heart can also customize your jewelry. They can do it in 10K, in 14K, 16. They can do it in rose or white gold and platinum. You can contact them and they can customize any of their designs for you in whatever gold that you would prefer. But when I saw this band, I really was taken away. Now, anytime that you're going to wear a substantial band with a solitaire, I would highly suggest going up in size for the band, because if you were to get a 4.5 in band and have a 4.5 in the ring, it might fit a little snug. So either you can wear it as a pinky, you could wear it, the band by itself, or you could wear them together. It is entirely up to you. I'm going to show you what the band looks like by itself. You could see how beautiful that is. And this is a pretty bold band, I must say. And then you can see the ring here. And they have a lot of different bands to choose from and a lot of different rings. It's just finding a ring that speaks to you. Bezel set rings are very modern takes. And then this band is just so gorgeous that it just pops however it is that you want to wear it. It will not lose its luster. And their customer service is incredible. I'm also going to show you what it looks like in different lighting so you get an idea of the sparkle. Indoor lighting. Shaded outside area. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If so, please make sure you give me a big thumbs up or pop a comment below. Perhaps do both. And if you're not yet subscribed, I invite you to do so down below. Remember, if you shop after Black Friday, I have a discount code of Bella15. And if you shop Black Friday, that's their biggest blowout sale. So make sure that you take a look at their items. I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.